Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will talk about a job vacancy, Python fresher in the Brihaspati Infotech Pvt Ltd. Let me talk about job summary. We are looking for a enthusiastic Python freshers who have completed 3 to 6 months of training in Python development and possess basic knowledge of front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and jQuery. This is an excellent opportunity for individuals who are passionate about coding, eager to learn, and looking to start their career in a professional IT environment. Now, let me talk about key responsibilities for this job. Assist in developing, testing, and maintaining Python based applications. Collaborate with the development team to integrate front end and back end functionalities. Work on bug fixing, code optimization, and performance improvements. Stay updated with emerging technologies and industry trends. Support in creating technical documentation for projects. Now talk about required skills and qualifications. You have to complete it 3 to 6 months of a professional training in Python development, basic understanding of front-end technologies, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, good problem skills, and logical thinking, ability to work in team and follow instructions, eagerness to learn and adapt to new tech tools and technologies. Education required for this job: BTech, MCA, BCR equivalent, computer science, IT preferred. Salary will be 8,000 to 10,000. Training 3 to 6 month must. Location Mohali, Punjab. Work from office profile. Job types: full time, permanent, fresher. If you are interested, you can contact. You can comment. If you are new on our YouTube channel, you can subscribe for the more job updates. Thank you for watching.